Well, hello friends, Mr. Mark here. We have a new addition to the mug collection. It is the Tricorp mug. This mug is the result of a shoot I did, magazine shoot for the, it was Truck News magazine, and Tricorp from Elmer, Ontario is the trucking company that was chosen for that particular month's shoot. As you can see in the background, Tricorp has some beautiful trucks, and it was my great privilege to put them in one of my monthly articles. So I'd like to say thank you to Peter Wiebe from Elmer, Ontario. That's where Tricorp is located. Thank you for this beautiful art that now allows us to make beautiful mugs. So, having said that, I'm going to show you a few close-ups of the mug, how it's packaged, how it will arrive at your door, and we'll go from there. This is how your mug's going to arrive. This is a very sturdy styrofoam box, right? It's well sealed. I've opened this one, but when you get it, you're going to need a pair of scissors, razor blade, knife, something along those lines. The box opens like this. Your mug is securely contained, as you can see. This box was made for a mug, and it is tight. Out comes your new mug. Very safe, secure. Your mug will arrive in very good condition. Thank you so very much for your time, your precious time, and until we meet again.